In a small village surrounded by green hills, there was a beautiful garden known as the Magical Flower Garden. This garden was unique, where flowers bloomed in vibrant colors and filled the air with the sweetest scents. The garden was tended by an elderly woman who was known for her deep love of plants. She devoted all her time to caring for each flower in the garden, and each flower had its own special story. One day, a young boy with a love for nature arrived in the village. He decided to visit the garden to see the magical flowers for himself. As he entered the garden, he felt as if he had stepped into a magical world. There were flowers sparkling in the sunlight, and trees adorned with colorful butterflies. The elderly woman welcomed the boy with a warm smile and took him on a tour of the garden. As they walked, she showed him a special flower known as the wish flower. She explained, "This flower can grant one wish to each person who sees it, but the wish must be pure and sincere." The boy was intrigued by the flower and asked how to use its power. The woman explained that he should think of his wish clearly and sincerely. Then, she asked him to close his eyes and listen to his heart. The boy sat under the flower and closed his eyes, wishing with all his heart that he could help his friends in the village feel happy and live in harmony. When he opened his eyes, he saw the flower glowing beautifully. The woman returned to the boy and said, "Your wish was made with a sincere heart. Now, it's time to see how it comes true." Over the following weeks, the villagers noticed positive changes. The spirit of cooperation and love increased among everyone, and they began working together better than ever before. Everyone felt happier, and the magical flower garden began to bloom more brightly. The boy felt joy seeing his wish come true. He learned that the true magic of the garden was in its ability to unite people's hearts and inspire them to give and love. From that day on, the magical flower garden became a place where people from far and wide came to experience its magic and inspiration, reminding them that pure wishes and love can make a big difference in the world.